Good day, goeiedag and Molweni. Welcome to the Department of Physiological Sciences. I'm very excited that you're watching our video. We face many health challenges in our society: cancer, heart disease, inflammatory disease, neurodegeneration. The list is long, and many are related to aging or poor lifestyle. Physiology is a core science discipline, part of the BSc Human Life Science degree, that seeks to understand the function and dysfunction of cells and tissues, from molecular to organ to human. In our department, we focus on those diseases that matter, that are of high national priority, and that are poorly treated or not treated at all. When understanding the root cause of a disease, often long before it manifests, we can better devise treatment strategies. This is what we focus on in our research in our department. We provide first-class undergraduate and postgraduate training in physiology. In our undergraduate courses, we ensure that the fundamental knowledge is conveyed so that it is on par internationally. Our postgraduate work, honors, masters, and PhD studies provide a platform to become a scientist in the biomedical sciences arena. We equip the student with many critical tools, molecular, biochemical, genetic in nature, all of which we apply to better understand the disease in question. A very important part of that training is exposure to cutting-edge technologies. Only with first-class equipment can we ask the challenging questions. Therefore, you find in our department state-of-the-art equipment. For example, microscopes from light sheet to confocal to super resolution to correlative, even instruments to describe nano delivery systems or rheology. Our students are usually trained on these instruments, which makes them immediately highly skilled. You find tissue culture, molecular, and histology laboratories that are managed by incredibly skilled personnel. To make the important and new knowledge available to scientists and clinicians around the world, the work needs to be published in journals that have high global visibility. This is critical so that our students can enjoy absolute global competitiveness in their studies. In fact, we are very proud when our students seek employment in the best labs overseas, and we're even more excited when they come back and give back to our society, joining the higher education field, academia, industry, or associated disciplines. I must tell you, though, that research never sleeps, and it is tough. It is exciting and a never-ending quest. It requires self-discipline, time management, focus, accuracy, ownership, responsibility, and innovative thinking. These are some of the core attributes that we foster when teaching our students. It is therefore that we are also a strong partner of the Biomedical Engineering Science degree, where we contribute to the development of new technologies, some of which may be even commercialized through our very own spin-out companies. Enough said from my side. Please hear what the real stars, our students and our staff, have to say. Thank you.
So my reason for studying physiological sciences at Stellenbosch University was because I wanted to make a significant impact in medical research. I initially applied to Stellenbosch University to study medicine, but I didn't get accepted. And my reasoning for always wanting to pursue medicine was to save people's lives and to help people. But a lot of my lecturers told me that I can make that same contribution by contributing to medical research. And pursuing my honours degree and now my master's degree at Stellenbosch University with their world-class techniques as well as equipment will really be able to equip me with skills as well as equipment to make a significant impact.
Welcome to our molecular lab. This is one of the busiest labs in the department where all our research groups conduct their experiments or otherwise techniques. These techniques include Western blotting, if you'd like to assess protein isolation. These include PCR, if you'd like to isolate DNA or mRNA, and a few ELISAs along the way, depending on what it is that you'd like to investigate. Speaking of research, our department has a diverse group of research groups, and we are all interested in diseases of lifestyle. So if you are interested in cancer, neurodegenerative diseases, diabetes, obesity, chemotherapy, cardiovascular disease, this is just to name a few, then this is the department for you.
Practical training in this department starts in the second year, where we also try to include the theory that we try to explain in a practical manner. And in third year, there's much more in-depth and more difficult practicals that students follow, preparing them for postgraduate training and also for the private sector, using state-of-the-art equipment.
So I'm currently doing my PhD in the field of physiological science. I specialize in the field of neurophysiology, which is to say that we focus on certain projects that entail the brain. And in the case of my project, we are specifically looking at Parkinson's disease and the potential of early diagnostic systems so that we can rather prevent than cure the disease in the future.
Good day, I'm Professor Annemart Engelbrecht, Program Leader of the Human Life Sciences Program. Our department takes part in excellent programs offered by the Faculty of Science. We offer the Human Life Science program with two streams, the biology stream with physiology and biochemistry or genetics as the main subjects, and the biology with psychology stream with physiology and psychology as the main subjects. Two new programs were recently introduced. The one is Biomedical Mathematical Sciences, which was specifically developed as a feeder program for the postgraduate degree in biomedical engineering. The main subjects in this program are physiology and mathematical sciences, as well as computer science on second-year level. The other program is Applied Medicinal Chemistry, which aims to give sufficient background for a career in drug development. Please have a look at the Science Faculty Yearbook and also our website for more details on the programs.